Hello class 7, this is the second part of your chapter chilling at the North Pole, and now we'll start from the last paragraph that is given on page number 19. So the author, he was saying like there were some legally permissible places that he can go to. So till that we have done in the last video. Okay, so now what he says that as we have reached northern side of the North Pole side, so they have encountered tons of flat floating ice. So there is an image given here above, you can see here. So you can see some flat ice that is floating. So that is what he is saying, that अभी जहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा tons of flat floating ice उन्हें दिख चुका है, and it was only the day 8 of their expedition, and that they have seen wonderful ice and snow. That scene is very amazing to see, that ice and snow. Then he said that they have reached latitude 80 degree. अभी इसके पहले तक 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ पहुँच चुके थे. Now they have reached latitude 80 degree, and it was too cold, like very severe cold temperature, and the temperature was minus 32 degrees. Can you imagine minus 32 degrees? And they were on a small zodiac. Zodiac is what? It is an inflatable board. Inflatable, why they need an inflatable? ऐसा नहीं हो कि ये जो स्नो या ये सब शार्प एजेस है उनकी वजह से वो फ्लैट हो जाए या फिर फट जाए, and they could get drawn. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो. So ऐसा नहीं था कि सिर्फ उन्हें ये टेम्परेचर ही एनकाउंटर करना था. दे ऑल्सो हैव टू go through that equally strong winds, and that wind were blowing at 120 किलोमीटर पर आवर. 120 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड पे वो विंड ब्लो कर रही थी. इतने ज़्यादा स्पीड को भी उन्हें एनकाउंटर करना था. सो दे वर सेइंग दैट this expedition is more grueling than the one to Antarctica. And why is that so? Why? Because in between all these glacial walk, ये जो ग्लेशियर के ऊपर वॉक करना था, every day they would get at least 3 to 4 hour lectures on the subjects like Arctic birds, polar bears and the whales you would find in the Arctic Ocean. So यहाँ पे हम उन्हें lectures भी मिल रहे थे, Arctic birds, polar bears, whales, ये सब उन वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के बारे में जो कि आर्टिक रीजन में होते हैं. Then what they saw a blue whale, and you know that blue whale is considered the biggest animal on the planet. And then they saw humpback whales beside the beluga. Humpback whale is a species of whale जिसके पीछे hump होता है back पे. And they also saw beluga. Beluga is another name for white whale. Okay, they also saw skuas. Skuas is actually predatory gull-like bird. It's a kind of bird that you can find here in Arctic region, and they are actually called the most intelligent bird of all known there. And there were so many wildlife that were there, and they have actually seen also these many wonderful wildlife. So on these expedition there is no sleep, like they can't sleep in this expedition, and there were 2 reasons for that. Okay, so there were 2 reasons why they can't sleep in this expedition. First of all, there is no nightfall. Okay, and the second one is that sighting could happen anytime. किसी भी टाइम कुछ ऐसा व्यू आ सकता है जो देखना रहेगा, एंड व्हेन यू हैव टू सी समथिंग यू हैव टू गेट डाउन ऑफ दैट बोट से उतरना पड़ेगा, एंड बोट से उतरना है. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू वेयर, यू नीड 10 minutes at least to wear those 5-layer clothing and boots and everything. You need to wear everything because you are getting out of your boat. So बोट के बाहर उतर के जाओगे तो ठंड और ज़्यादा लगेगी, and you need to wear your special boots and all so that you can walk properly on that floating ice. Okay, and वंस व्हाट हैपेंड, एक बार क्या हुआ, एक मॉर्निंग में 2 बज रहा था एंड दे स्पॉटेड अ पोलर बेयर. एक पोलर बेयर इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी beautiful animal to see, and for them to see them, spot them, was a very new experience, so they doesn't want it to be missed. So that is why he is especially mentioning this particular spotting of this polar bear. So जब उस पोलर बेयर के पास में उसके नेचुरल हैबिटेट में जाने लगे तो he felt that it's a truly new experience, and that was magic for them. एक magical experience था उन लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि can you imagine that temperature -32 degree, and it can even go below that, and there is an animal who is surviving there. So it's a magic something for it, and they were in the middle of the ocean that was freezing to that. इतना ठंडा पानी था कि अगर सपोज उस पर कोई गिर जाए so he could even die because of that freezing temperature. Then what they saw, they watched a polar bear sitting for an hour, and they went away, and that polar bear that went away eventually. After some time he went off. Then what they saw, they also saw a bearded seal. It was a seal having some beard, and that was lazing on another piece of flat ice. एक और flat ice था, उसके ऊपर पे that seal was there. And then they spent 4 days in that region, in that very cold and very fierce weather. The weather was very harsh, it was too cold, it was freezing, even the water was freezing. In that condition they spent their last 4 days, and there were glacial walks galore. They were walking on the glaciers in great number. Why they were walking? वो इसलिए चल रहे थे ज़्यादा, ताकि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वाइल्ड लाइफ या ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऐसी चीज़ें देख सके जो कि यूजुअली पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. And what they saw, they have seen a reindeer. You know what's a reindeer? Reindeer is that animal which you can see with Santa Claus. Santa Claus की जो गाड़ी चलाता है, that is called reindeer. And you can, whenever you see a Santa Claus picture with that cartyard and all, you can always find reindeer. So that also they could see. That is why they were walking on the ice for most of the time. इसीलिए चल रहे थे ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो इस तरीके के कोई ना कोई जानवर देख सके. Then he said that he came with an experience that he can never do full justice in words. ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है ये पूरा जो भी कुछ उसने इतने दिन का एक्सपीडिशन था कि वो अपने फुल जस्टिस नहीं कर सकता अगर वो वर्ड्स में भी लिख दे. यू हैव टू गो देयर एंड यू हैव टू विजुअली सी इट, ओनली देन यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस ऑल दोज थिंग. वर्ड्स में उसे बयान नहीं किया जा सकता है. ओके, सो इन द लाइफ वी लीड, जो हम लाइफ जी रहे हैं, हम भूल चुके हैं कि like we have forgotten all those things that we should respect. Like nature is full of surprises and it's full of elegance, बट हम क्या है, हम बिज़ी हैं अपनी लाइफ में, और जो एक्चुअली ये सारी मैजिकल व्यूज़ है ये सब कुछ हम नहीं देख पा रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस ऑथर सेज इन द लास्ट दैट फॉर हिम दिस एक्सपीडिशन, दिस आर्टिक रीजन एक्सपीडिशन वॉज नॉट जस्ट एन एक्सपीडिशन. वो सिर्फ एक ट्रिप नहीं था, वो एक घूमने के लिए नहीं था. एक्चुअली इट वॉज द बिगनिंग ऑफ हिज अनदर लाइफ. ये एक बिगनिंग है उसकी अनदर लाइफ की. अनदर लाइफ की बिगनिंग इसलिए है क्योंकि अब वो चीज़ों को अलग तरीके से देख सकता है. उसने हार्श वेदर में उतनी कठिनाइयों के साथ जब वो वहाँ सर्वाइव किया, सो ही कुड एक्चुअली फील कि व्हाट इज़ एक्चुअली नेसेसरी इन आवर लाइफ. Okay, so that is why he is saying that it is now the new beginning of his another life. And वो चीज़ जो हमें यूजुअली हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं, एक्चुअली वही हमारी एक्चुअल लाइफ है. लाइक छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में यू शुड सी एवरीथिंग. लाइक इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में हमें हर चीज़ खुशियाँ देखनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि जो छोटी चीज़ें हमें उन्हें इग्नोर करनी चाहिए. वी शुड लिव आर एवरी मोमेंट in every with full happiness. This is what he is saying कि एक एक moment कीमती है and we should live our life with fullest because we never know when it can end. So this is what is there in the summary of this chapter. And this chapter is also very easy, yet a new experience is there in this chapter. You can learn different wildlife, different experience, all those things is being described in this chapter. So what you can do, you can read this chapter if you have your books, and learn all those words meaning. There are certain word meanings given here, and you can just go through the question and answer once. These questions you can see there, these orals ones are very easy, and tick the correct options also you can do. Rest we will do when you all will come back to school. Okay, so don't worry and stay safe, stay at home. Till then, take care, bye bye.